Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 28, Lesson 1. Listen as I read aloud about the dangers of the sea. Interim Medus et Lydia vento secundo per mare inferum navigara pergunt ad fretum Sicilium. Id est fretum angustum quo Sicilia ab Italia disjungetur. Gaudent omnes qui ea nave vehuntur praeter mercatorem, cuius merces necesse fuit in nave eicara. Medus vero, multum cogitat de verbis Lydiae et de tempestate, quae tam subito cessavit, postquam Lydia dominum suum invocavit, ut tempestas mare tranquillum turbavit, ita verba Lydiae animum medi turbaverunt. Lydia amicum suum colorem mutavisse animadvertit, et quid pales inquit utrum aegrotas anteritus es. So read through that section aloud and come back and let's translate. We have the dangers of the sea from periculum, so nominative plural. The dangers of the sea. Interim, meanwhile, Medus and Lydia, with a good wind, go on to sail through the Mare Inferum, the Tyrrhenian Sea, that's the one nearest Ostia at the mouth of the Tiber, to the Strait of Sicily. That is a narrow strait by which Sicily is separated from Italy. So they're going around the toe of Italy, between Sicily and Italy. And pergunt just means to go on to sail, and we have here an ablative absolute with a noun adjective combination. So we have with a good wind, with a pleasant wind. Gaudent, they rejoice. Everyone rejoices. Who are all those who are being carried on that ship. Here, is ea id. Sometimes it acts like a demonstrative pronoun, saying like that one. Except for, everyone's rejoicing except for the merchant whose goods it was necessary to throw from the ship. But Medus is thinking a lot about the words of Lydia and about the storm which ceased so suddenly after Lydia called upon her Lord. Remember from the previous chapter where she calls upon the name of Jesus to save them, and the storm stopped. Like the storm, or as the storm churned up the peaceful sea, so the words of Lydia churned up Medus's spirit. So here we have a form of ut that means like or as, which we've seen before. We're going to see a new form of ut in this chapter where it takes a subjunctive. So Lydia noticed that her boyfriend's color changed and asks, "Why are you growing pale? Are you sick or are you frightened?" Quid, as a question word at the beginning, not only can mean what, can also mean cur. Why are you doing this? And utrum just indicates a question, one thing or another. Are you this thing or are you that thing? And it goes with on. So also some other margin notes to notice that disjungere is the same as dividere. Okay, to divide up is to disjungere, not to join up. It's the opposite of conjungere, to join. And Siculus is just the adjective form of Siciliae, Sicily. Eicara, simply e plus iacere, to throw away. Cessare is opus negligere, to neglect a need, to do less, to cease or to do less. So the wind ceases or grows less is the same as ventus minuitur, the wind is diminished. And animus, which is spirit or soul, is the opposite of the corpus, the body. Okay, read through the entire section, lesson 1 in Latin now, and then go over to the exercises.